TradingView is an online charting and market analysis platform that traders and investors use to study financial markets. It allows users to view live price charts, apply technical indicators, draw trend lines, and analyze market movements in a clear and interactive way. Because it is web-based, TradingView can be accessed easily from a computer, tablet, or mobile phone without installing heavy software. It also includes social features where traders can share ideas, strategies, and market opinions with others around the world. People use TradingView because it helps them understand price behavior before making trading decisions. The platform supports many markets, including Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices, making it useful for different types of traders. With real-time data, customizable charts, and powerful analysis tools, TradingView helps users identify trends, patterns, and possible trading opportunities in a simple and efficient way. TradingView allows users to analyze financial markets in a detailed and professional way using advanced charting tools. Traders can view price charts in multiple timeframes, from 1 minute to monthly views, zoom in or out, replay past market movements, and compare different markets side by side. This helps users understand how prices move over time and make better trading decisions based on clear visual data. On TradingView, users can also apply hundreds of technical indicators to study market trends and momentum. These indicators help identify important conditions such as trend direction, possible reversals, and overbought or oversold levels. In addition, TradingView provides drawing and analysis tools that let traders mark support and resistance zones, draw trend lines, and plan trades by setting entry points, stop losses, and take profit levels. All these features work together to help traders analyze the market more confidently and systematically. Traders use TradingView because it is simple, powerful, and works smoothly on any device. The platform has a clean and easy-to-understand interface, which makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Since it is web-based, users can access it from a computer, tablet, or mobile phone without installing separate software, making market analysis convenient anytime and anywhere. Another reason traders prefer TradingView is that it supports all major markets in one place, including Forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, and commodities. This means traders do not need different platforms for different markets. TradingView also has a strong trading community where users can share ideas, publish analysis, and learn from experienced traders around the world. In addition, alerts and notifications help traders stay updated on price movements or indicator signals without watching charts all day, making trading more efficient and less stressful. TradingView offers both free and paid plans, so traders can choose what fits their needs and experience level. The free version is ideal for beginners because it provides basic charting features, a limited number of indicators, and simple alerts. It is good for learning, practicing market analysis, and understanding how charts and indicators work without any cost. Many new traders start with the free plan to build their skills and confidence. The paid version of TradingView is designed for more active and advanced traders who need deeper analysis tools. It offers access to more technical indicators, more alerts, and multiple chart layouts on one screen. These extra features make market analysis faster, more detailed, and more efficient. Because of this flexibility, most traders begin with the free version and upgrade later only if they feel they need more powerful tools for professional or high-level trading. TradingView, in simple words, is a tool that helps traders understand the market better and make smarter trading decisions. It shows price charts, indicators, and market data in a clear and visual way, making it easier to see trends and price movements. Traders use it to analyze the market, plan their trades, and decide when to buy or sell. With features like charts, indicators, drawing tools, alerts, and ideas shared by other traders, TradingView helps people learn, analyze, and trade more confidently, all in one place.